Hi there, welcome to the world of coding. Today, I'm going to tell you all about coding, where it came from, how it works, and why it's super cool. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning. Ready? Let's go. Coding, also known as programming, is the process of creating instructions for computers to execute. These instructions are written in programming languages, which have specific syntax and rules. By writing code, you can develop software, websites, applications, and more. Imagine you have a toy robot, and you want it to do something fun like dance or move around. You need to press buttons on the remote control to tell it what to do. Coding is just like that, but instead of buttons, we use something called code. Code is a special language that computers can understand. Did you know coding is everywhere? From the games you play on your tablet, to the cartoons you watch on TV, even to the apps you use to learn new things. All of these are made using code. For example, when you play a video game, coding is what makes the characters move, jump, and run. Or when you click on an app, coding is what makes it open and do something special. Coding is the magic behind all of your favorite gadgets. A long time ago, before we had cool computers and phones, people used very simple machines to count things. But these machines didn't know what to do by themselves. That's when coding came in. Coding is like writing a secret message or a recipe that tells a machine what to do step by step. Imagine you have a toy robot. To make it move, you have to tell it exactly what to do, like, take 3 steps forward, then stop. That's what coding is, telling the computer or robot to follow instructions to do things. Cool, right? Back in the day, coding was a lot harder. People used big machines and had to write code in strange symbols. But now we have coding languages like Python, JavaScript, and Scratch that make it much easier and way more fun. Just like speaking different languages, computers understand different coding languages. Each one helps you build different things. With these languages, you can build websites, apps, games, even robots. Coding is like learning a superpower that lets you create anything you can imagine. So, how does coding really work? Well, first you need to write the instructions, that's called code. You give the computer commands like, show me a picture, or, move the robot to the left. Each command is like a puzzle piece, and when you put them all together, you create something amazing. For example, if you want to make a fun game, you might write code that tells the computer, make a character jump when I press the spacebar, or, show the score when I win. The computer reads the code, understands what to do, and boom, your game works. You know what's even more awesome? Coding is everywhere. When you watch your favorite cartoons, coding is behind the animations. When you play games on your tablet, coding is what makes the characters move and the game fun. Even when you watch YouTube, coding makes the video show up on your screen. Everything you use on a computer, tablet, or phone is powered by code. It's like the magic spell that makes all your favorite tech work. But wait, you don't have to be a grown-up to start coding. There are super fun games and apps that teach you how to code, even if you're 5. You can use block-based coding, which is like putting colorful blocks together to make a story, a game, or even animations. One cool tool is Scratch. It lets you make your own games by snapping blocks of code together, and you can even share your creations with friends. When you learn to code, your imagination is the only limit. Want to create your own superhero game? Code it. Want to tell a story where you control the characters? Code it. Coding lets you turn your ideas into real, working things on the screen. The best part? You don't just play the game, you make it. You can decide what happens, and you get to be the creator. Now that you know all about coding, how it started, and how it works, you're ready to start your own coding adventure. Try writing your first bit of code today, and see what fun things you can create. Remember, coding is like magic, and you're the magician. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching for more fun learning. See you soon, future coders.